Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Magnific Creator. In this video, I would like to show you about how to make uh, the self with uh, its similar shape with a moon. First of all, you have to make a basic wall or existing wall with a rotated rectangle like this. Please just set the value of dimension of the thickness and height of the wall as proportional as possible you can. I just make it group, and it's around uh, 300 3000 millimeter for tall, and the width of the wall is around the length of the wall is around 2200 something millimeter like this. Okay, after that you have to take a 2-point arc for the first and position it on a wall like this. You can pull the line like this and set the smoothness of the arc by type for example 100 and s and press enter, so it would be automatically smooth as you see it. And then you have to adjust the curve moon of the moon shape. You can double it with a 2-point arc again like this. You can position on the first node and the second node right here. Then you can set the moon, the shape, until you get a perfect shape. I think it more um, I think it more larger than before to get a moon shape with this. Okay, after that you have to select all this plane. Then you have to duplicate it in front of this object. So this back object is for the backdrop. You can give it a thickness like this and make it a group, and then you have to offset it inside. It's around 25 millimeter, and you can erase it and just move it back with a move and press shift to make a perfect move like this. Then you have to push it in front of to the front like this. Maybe you can set the length of the self is around 200 millimeter, or you can set the more tip of this shape. You can make it group by select all this object and right click and make it group. Okay, after that you can make a horizontal self to be a self as generally. Okay, you can set the length of the self, and you can set it. Maybe you can make sure that the length of the self is under this frame. Okay, after that you can move and press control it to get the more position and pull it again until you get the perfect position of it, and press move and press control again anyway this, and adjust this in end of side of the triangle of the self like this. You can just with only choose this line and press this line. Okay, and after that you have to give material. For example, I give this formical laminated light with a synthetic surface and press uh, edit it, or you could get another shape of it, maybe something like this. Then you can see the moon, and then you can see the moon like this, or you can add more object like this, so it can make a more complex object like this. You can set the segment like this, then you can move the circle to the perfect position better than before. Okay, like this, maybe something like this, and then you have to make a duplicate it in front of the object. As usual, the backside object is for backdrop, and the front object is for self. And please make the thickness of the self, and as usual you have to erase the unnecessary object and move it back with the move and press shift to make a perfect move like this. Then you have to push it in front of object until like this, and as usual you have to make it group and just select material like this, and then you can uh, add some cells again with a rectangle, and you can uh, make this object, you can pull it in front of object like this and make it group, and you can duplicate it with a move and press Ctrl, something like this. You can see this, and you have to adjust the end of self. Make sure that end of self is on a correct position of inside the circle cabinet, circle self, I'm sorry, like this. Then you can adjust this with just select this end of shape and press push and move it on the right side, and this is also you have to move it on the left side, so it would be a dynamically arrangement of self. You can only select this line and press move, and just click this node and press shift, and make sure that it parallel with a red axis to make a perfect move like this. Then you can also adjust the color of this self like this. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope you can improve your skill SketchUp with another complex object, with another complex furniture, house, or another building function. Anyway, thanks for watching.